The concentration of our work is in the federal space. One of the cool things we've been able to do is bring in and leverage some of the technical capabilities with a few boutique commercial companies as a means to give our engineers the experience in that world to then bring that experience back into the federal marketplace.
We are problem solvers, and we hire engineers and architects who want to solve problems, enable an organization to digitally change that relationship with technology and make it institutional across their various teams, which we would not be all-encompassing. We work with our partners to ensure that we can bring our client experience to help drive features and roadmaps so that their products are meeting not only current use cases, but also some of the future blockers that we see, and try to help our clients get the most out of their paid subscriptions or software titles that they've procured.
So for Plus3 IT, partnership is really important. The way that we tie ourselves and keep our workforce educated is through a lot of training that is often offered by partners. Chris Isaacs, one of our co-founders, is focused as the Chief Technology Officer on identifying trends. Where's the marketplace going? Who are the up-and-coming vendors? What are the technologies that we need to know to help our customers going forward? With that identification, we then set out to develop relationships with vendor partners so that we can have access to the training and we can use that to grow.
In the federal space, there are acquisition strategies that sometimes take years to develop. And for us to bring an innovative solution to a new client, sometimes we look for large business partners to help find an access point to bring that innovation to a long-standing program that might have a critical need. And we work with our large business partners to be their specialists in specific innovative areas such as cloud adoption or cloud security or DevSecOps automation. So we have large business partners and small business partners who have unique access to certain client spaces. We work with them to bring specific technical solutions. And on the second side is we look for innovative companies who are offering services or software titles that really are on the edge and solving critical data security or automation needs that we've experienced with our client base for a very long time. We look at partnerships from two factors. One is for innovative products and service companies that offer creative solutions to long-standing problems that we know and have experienced in our client set. We look to try to find those innovative companies that might not have a federal team or landscape that we could help bring the federal use cases and some of the compliance and security requirements necessary to meet that federal market, allowing us to influence their features and roadmaps so that their product can meet a federal use case much earlier in their life cycle than they may have intended. The second area is on the business-to-business side for access to contract vehicles.
I will say one key difference about us in terms of partnership is that we always want to stay independent from the perspective of being able to offer sound technology solutions for our customers without being impaired by any partnership requirements. So if there is a partner out there that says, hey, you can only work with us if you unilaterally recommend our technology across the board, we oftentimes won't pursue that because we want to maintain our independence.